Okay, we are going to learn some new irregular verbs today, but first we're going to review regular verb conjugation. So remember in Spanish there are three types of verbs, AR, ER, and IR verbs. So let's just go over the conjugations really quick so you remember. For AR verbs, remember the yo is O, to as, ella, usted, a, nosotros, amos, ellos, ellas, ustedes, on. For ER, yo, O, to, es, el, e, nosotros, hemos, ellos, ellas, ustedes, en. And then for IR verbs, yo, o, tú, es, él, ella, usted, nosotros, hemos, y ellos, ellas, ustedes, en. So this is always how conjugations will end for AR, ER, and IR verbs. Okay, so let's talk about some irregular verbs. There are a lot of them that you already know. So a star first, means to be. So a star is irregular because the yo is irregular and these forms have accents. So estoy, estás, está, estamos, están. Ser, remember, also means to be. It is totally irregular. Soy, eres, es, somos, son. Tener, to have. The yo is irregular because it's tango, and then it also is a mini stem changer, e to ie. So tango, tienes, tiene, tenemos, tienen. Hacer, if you'll remember, to do. The yo is hago, which is irregular. The rest of them are regular. Haces, hace, hacemos, hacen. Ir, to go, is 100% irregular. Voy, vas, va, vamos, van. Costar, to cost, isn't necessarily irregular, but it's a stem changing O to UE verbs. Remember, it stem changes in the boot. Cuesto, cuestas, cuesta, costamos, cuestan. Empezar is an E to IE stem changer. Remember that it means to start. And it stem changes in the boot. Empiezo, empiezas, empieza, empezamos, empiezan. Servir is an E to I stem changing verb, which means to serve. And it also stem changes in the boot. So sirvo, sirves, sirve, servimos, sirven. Okay, so these are irregular verbs that you already know. We're going to learn some new irregular verbs today. There are two verbs that are totes irregular. All the forms are weird. So decir, which means to say or to tell, which is different from hablar, which means to talk or to speak. So you want to make sure that you pay attention to that. Okay, the yo is going to be digo. So it goes to a G, kind of like how the yo of tener is tango. The yo of decir is digo. Then it is also a stem changer, E to I. So the two is going to be dices, él, ella, usted, dice. Nosotros decimos, because it's not in the boot. Ellos, ellas, ustedes, dicen. Okay, venir, which means to come, like come to my house or come to the party. And it's almost exactly like tener. So the yo is vengo, and then it's also an E to IE mini boot stem changer. So tú vienes, él, ella, usted, viene. Nosotros venimos, no stem change, that's not in the boot, and ellos, ellos, ustedes, vienen. So exactly like tener, tango, tienes, tiene, tenemos, tienen, and then venir, vengo, vienes, viene, venimos, vienen. Okay, dar, to give. These four verbs are irregular just in the yo form. The other forms are not going to be irregular. So, yo is going to be doy, I give. Das, you give. Da, he, she, or you formal gives. Damos, we give. Dan, ellos, ellas, ustedes, or they give, or you all give. Okay, salir, again, is only going to be irregular in the yo form, which is going to be salgo, so it goes to G, kind of like tener. And then to sales, él, ella, usted, sale, nosotros salimos, because it's an IR verb. And then ellos, ellos, ustedes, salen. Okay, poner, to put something somewhere. I can also be used to set, as in to set the table. So the yo is irregular. It goes to pongo, kind of like tener, goes to a G. To pones, él, ella, usted pone. Nosotros ponemos. And ellos, ellas, ustedes ponen. Okay, traer means to bring. It's also going to go to a G in the yo. Trigo, Traigo, trigo, I bring. The other forms are regular. Traes, él, ella, usted, trae. Nosotros traemos. And ellos, ellas, ustedes, traen. Okay, so these are the irregular verbs. You want to make sure that you memorize what they mean and how to conjugate them. So let's practice. We have venir, which remember means to come, decir, to say or to tell, salir, to leave or to go out, Poner, to set or to put, and dar, to give. So I something, the secret, what would make sense would be I tell the secret. So yo, and the yo form of decir is a stem changer, and it goes to a G. So yo digo el secreto. Usted something, la mesa. So la mesa is the table. Probably makes sense to say you set the table. So usted pone. It's regular because it's not in the yo. Only the yo form is irregular. And then yo something, el regalo. El regalo is the gift or the present. So I give the present. Yo doy, irregular, doy. To something, a mi casa. You go out to my house or you come to my house. Probably you come to my house would make more sense. So venir, it's going to be like tener. So it's going to stem change e to ie. Vienes a mi casa. And then nosotros something, ahora. Remember, ahora means now. So we leave now or we go out now. And it's an IR verb. So it'd be nosotros salimos. Okay, so make sure that you have all of this written down in your notebook in the apuntes section because you want to make sure that you memorize what they mean and how to conjugate them. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.